What if I told you that two-stroke bikes just got a massive upgrade that nobody saw coming? The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 is here, and it's about to change everything you thought you knew about 125 cubic centimeters motocross bikes. Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in motorsports. Today, we're talking about the all-new 2026 Yamaha YZ125, and trust me, this isn't your typical yearly refresh. Design. Yamaha has completely reimagined the YZ125's aesthetics while maintaining that iconic blue DNA. The new sharper radiator shrouds and slimmer profile make this bike look fast even when it's standing still. The redesigned fuel tank sits lower, improving the center of gravity and giving riders better control during those critical corner transitions. Performance. The heart of this machine features Yamaha's new YPVSX power valve system, delivering a broader, more usable power band without sacrificing that signature 125 top-end scream. They've managed to squeeze out an additional 3 horsepower while actually improving fuel efficiency by 15%. The new 6-speed transmission features closer gear ratios, making it easier for riders to stay in the sweet spot. Features and technology. Technology-wise, Yamaha has introduced their Smart Tune app connectivity, allowing riders to adjust power valve timing and ignition mapping right from their smartphone. The new digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, including lap times and engine temperature. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 proves that two-strokes aren't just alive, they're evolving. With its perfect blend of traditional performance and modern technology, this bike is set to dominate both the track and the trails. So, what do you think about the new YZ125? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, share it with your riding buddies, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth moto content. Until next time, keep that throttle twisted.